Assalamu students, I hope all of you will be fine and safe. Today is your first lecture from Unit 1. Students, in previous class you have learned the place value of digits. Now we will learn the reading and writing of numbers up to 1 million. For this we should know what is the place value chart. Place value tells us the value of each digit, and in a place value chart, a chart is one in which the position of digit in a number determines its value. It helps us to recognize large numbers. Students, the system which is used in worldwide is international system. In international system, there are three periods. Now I will show you how to make international place value chart. In the international place value chart, there are three periods. First period is ones, second period is thousands, and the third period is millions. In international place value chart, there are three periods. First period is one, second period is thousand, and the third period is million. The period ones is consist of three place values. The first place value is 1, second is 10, third is 100. Thousand period is consist of place value 1000, 10,000, 100,000. And the third period million is consist of the place value million, 10 million, 100 million. Students, you see there are three periods in which I will put the places on the place value chart. Now I will tell you how to put a number in a place value chart. For example, I am taking this number, this 9-digit number 569321517. This is 9-digit number, and now I will tell you how to put this number in a place value chart. We will start from the right side of the place value chart and we will take the last digit of the number. Now I will put here 7 in the, we will start from the right side and we will take last digit of the number. Now I will put here 7 1 5, like same way we will put the numbers. Now 1 2 3 9 6 5. Students, you see I put all the numbers in the place value chart, and this is too much easy to put the values in the place value chart. If you know the values, you can put in the right place, and you will always start from the right place of the place value chart. Here I put the number. Now I will tell you how to put commas in the bigger number. If you have 9-digit number, then how you will put the comma? Students, you will put the comma after every 3 digits or every respective period. When the period is ends, you will put a comma. In 9-digit number, there will be 2 commas in you will put. Now you can see there are 2 commas in this number, and now I will tell you how to read this number. Students, now I will break this number into 3 groups, 1 2 and 3. Now I will tell you how to read this number. First, in this group there is 569. I will write here 569. This group is belong to millions, so I will write here millions, comma. The next group is 321. I will write here 321. And this group is belong to 1000, so I will write here thousands, comma. The remaining number is 517. So it is 500. So it is 517. Students, you see, this is too much easy to put the values in the place value charts and then put the commas, and in the last it is very easy to learn how to read this number. Students, if you follow this method, you can easily read and write the numbers in the place value chart, or now you are able to read any number.